nice time this. 10.5 at 205.6 kilometers an hour. Very nice. Alright, kan ons net daar oopmaak daar so in die pitlyn. Op die agtermyl daar so 6.7 sekondes gaan 'n goeie run wees vir hom. Hierdie kwartmyl 10.6 204.6 km/h. Reaction time on 9th mile there with a 6.8 seconds. It's going to be a 10 again, and he goes through on the quarter mile with a 10.7. 196.7 kilometers an hour.